Good morning, my prepper posse. I'm wishing all of you a wonderful November 15th. It's Tuesday. And when we had the freeze yesterday morning, now we've got the cold and wet, the rain. You can see the rain coming down. Now personally, it's my personal opinion, and everybody's, doing their own thing, but as far as off-grid living, I guess I'd rather it be cold. The wet provides some issues. Now, first of all, we have no sun. There's one. So when you have no sun, any of you that are living on solar, you know the deal. That generator's got to run in order to keep your power up. And when it's wet like this, I do have a tarp or a TP over the generator. But, you don't have a TP over yourself. The wet is probably, to me, a bigger issue. Now, what's cool is I don't need to run the generator. We don't need power in here. It's not necessary, except for the freezer and the fridge, but, they're okay to be off for a bit. So you kind of can wait it out. If it's an all-day rain, then, maybe you're going to want to run the generator. But it's not fully necessary. I don't need lights. I have battery operated. The bus is warm. So no worries there. I didn't feel like starting a fire. Mostly because I'm going to be going in at 1. My daughter's already in at 5 this morning, so I already took her in. But I don't want to, waste firewood, or not waste firewood, but, have a fire going when it's not necessary, when I'm going to have to leave anyway, and there won't be anybody in here. She can start one when she gets home, but I'm telling you, thank goodness for half-price propane. The inverter, well, not the inverter, excuse me, the charge controller is cool, because it keeps waking up and it's looking for the sun. Where is it? It keeps checking for sun. I can hear it. Looks like winter, doesn't it? Shout out to all my posse. Hope you're all having a great day. Don't forget to play. See you!